Samung Hamya Khlainairokno Sininani eba Thwithangjak Bororokni Sinimung Saimanani Bagwi Nangkukmani Samung Khlaio Forensic Science Justice Rwthani Dalbidal Nangkukmani Samung Khlaio Tongo Forensic Science Chasalo Gujarat Gandhinagar National Forensic Science University Second International Day Philnwichinwi National India Association of Forensic Odontology Conference Koksanani Thangwi Okno Sakha Hasteni Mantri Okra Professor Dr. Sakha Chasalo Gujarat Gandhinagar National Forensic Science University Second International Day 22nd International Indian Association of Forensic Odontology Conference Pandao Khlaijaka Ashalni Pandao Manjakha Hasteni Mantri Okra Professor Dr. Sakha Aba Haikur Manjakha Father Hasteni Tekubun Representative Rock Ashalni Pandao Hasteni Mantri Okra Professor Dr. Sakha Owai Kashan Achatok Pandao Manjak Paiman Bagwi Belek Khatunga Hanai Abono Gari Saga Forensic Expert ni Kaisa Botol Fanganang Khlai Tishana Nangna Hinai Abono Gari Dalbidal Koklam Sakha Hasteni Mantri Okra Professor Dr. Sakha.
There is saying, while the criminal may lie through his teeth, the teeth themselves do not lie. And this is the essence of forensic odontology. Our teeth, the hardest structure in the human body, unique, sir already mentioned, have the unique quality of surviving conditions in which other tissues fail. God has made all these things. Otherwise, this science could not have been developed. Fire, water, decomposition, or mutilation may destroy all evidence of the body, but teeth often remain as very silent witness of the truth. The roots of forensic odontology can be traced back centuries. We have so many data. I may repeat, already my four speakers already have mentioned so many, even though I have to speak. In 1193 AD, first a case of identification using dentition from India was Raja Joy Chandra Rathod of Kanuj, died in the battlefield, and the body was identified by his false anterior teeth. In 66 AD, the body of Lolia Paulina of ancient Rome was recognized through dental evidence. Tsunami disasters, as we know, 2004, Southeast Asia. After the Indian Ocean tsunami, forensic odontology was critical in mass disaster victims identification. Then World Trade Center attack in 2001, USA. Dental records were extensively used in identifying victims after the 9/11 terrorist attack. Many remains were fragmented, and odontology provides one of the most reliable means of identification. In India, there were some notable cases. Nirbhaya case of Delhi in 2012. In the horrific crime, bite marks of the victims matched with the dental profile of the accused. Like the Seema Bora murder case in Maharashtra in 2012. Then Nitari village murder of Noida in 2006. Bhopal gas tragedy in 1984. There are some students, I think, here available there. Most of them, they were not born even. And recently, just I have been informed while I was discussing with the authorities that on 12 June 2025, already mentioned here, my previous madam already have mentioned, that horrific plane crash here at Ahmedabad airport. Everybody knows. The whole country was in shock. There also the identification have been, because students already have raised here, they also have cooperated. So I would like to give them thanks that they have handled During the Vienna Opera House fire in 1849, dental identification was first legally recognized. Perhaps the most famous example is the identification of Adolf Hitler and his so-called wife, Eva Braun, through ante-mortem and post-mortem radiographs. Then very important topics, we know the father of odontology. In 87, Dr. Oscar Amedo, a Cuban dentist educated in France, considered the father of forensic odontology, wrote his landmark thesis, L'Art Dentaire and Medicine Legal, establishing dentistry as a tool for legal medicine. After the Paris Charity Bazaar fire, he used dental records to identify victims. This rich history shows us the teeth have consistently played a role in truth seeking and justice.
Abon yaglun shaka Tripura haste hak 24 number chikon haste Tongo 40 lakh Lukurao. Tripura haste kabama tourist center bo Tongo tabu. Tripura haste BJP habang phaimani yagulo dental shak hamno integration Khlaizaka. Tabu haste kaitam medical college Tongo hunai. Abo haikeno Taljugo ni bishingo haktori Mantri Okra Narendra Modi ni chuba Tripura haste taikashap medical college integration Khlaizang Thangwi Tongo hunai shaka Mantri Okra Professor Dr. Manik Shah.
Yesterday, while I was interacting with the authorities of NFSU here, I came to know that more than about 7,000 to 8,000 students are pursuing about 72 courses across 14 campuses. Nobody knows, I think. There are, I'm sure, across the country, there are some little knowledge about it. I would not have that knowledge if I would not have come here. So it should be, you all should inform all the peoples of Tripura, particularly these dental surgeons or other faculties, about this institution. This truly reflects the far-sighted vision of our Honorable Prime Minister to give the shaping the future of forensic sciences and allied fields. So as because I belong to Tripura and as Chief Minister, from dentistry background, oral and maxillofacial surgeon, to Chief Minister of Tripura, I should say something for the Tripura in a very brief manner. Tripura is the 4th smallest state in India, about 40 lakhs its population. There are number of spots, tourist spots. I will urge you all to visit Tripura, and you'll be very happy to go after going over there. In Tripura, before the formation of our government, there are only 5 or 6 or up to 13 or 14 these things, these MBBSs. We were nominated to outside. There were no medical colleges and 1 seat for dental. And I was also one of them. There was no BSc, only 1 BSc students used to go outside. There's no many central normally. So now in Tripura we have 3 medical colleges and about 400 seats, and it will be more in a very short period. Within 8 to 9 months you will be surprised that by the blessings of our Honorable Prime Minister, that I was able to make one of the best and finest government dental college in Tripura, comprising of 63 seats. Then we have started BSc Nursing College. We have already started Pharmacy College, JNM, ANM, like that.
Ashali Pandani Paitago Father Honey, representative of Shalaka Koklam, Abu Haikano by Chancellor FN Khlaizamante, Forensic Odontology and FSU Gandhinagar, Bishing Bagwi, MD Khorang Sakha, Nibo Shaka. Bureau Report. Chini Khorang.